Ready?
Yep.
See this. It's not weight, huh? It's just talent.
That's a pretty good trick, man.
What just happened? Yeah, can we do that again, just to make sure?
Oh, man.
I don't know what I just did.
Chris, you want to interview him? Okay, one more
time.
Listen.
2 minutes and counting. One more time.
I will do different one. Maybe with the two pin, two branch.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
This must come. So first you put water on it. It starts.
No, before when it came out, the toilet,
Oh, it's not magic, just real. You know, body start, huh? I believe I can survive. So just how I go broke, maybe I'm running somewhere in the town. Somebody don't want to see me acting. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And again, I'm Winston.
Winston.
Yeah.
Winston, the water fountain.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Wow.
You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out, too.